friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are well, doing good and doing great. That's great. Greetings are really important before starting the video, and I hope so. You are watching my video with good health, good mind and good mood. God bless you all. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are watching my video for the first time, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notifications of my latest videos that I share to my channel daily. My regular viewers were waiting of my new video. So guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your another favorite topic. So let's start the video. Today, I'm presenting beautiful short bob haircut ideas for girls. These are bob haircuts, really amazing, with layers, with short length, with long length, with bangs, without bangs, with fashion hair color, with streaking hair color, with balayage hair color, with short length, with undercut haircut ideas, and with pixie and layer haircut with bangs and without bangs. Well, I am presenting all these haircut ideas for each type and each age type of ladies. You can select your favorite one haircut from this video according to your age, personality, choice, hair texture and face shape as well. I'm presenting all the types of hairs and haircut and hairstyles for all the face shape ideas, hair texture like thin or thin hair is depend on you that what kind of haircut and hairstyle you select for yourself according to your hair texture and face shape and give you a beautiful and different look. These all haircuts are really amazing that will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them, and also this haircut will give you a beautiful look. No doubt, these all hairstyles are really amazing with fashion hair color and going on trending and fashion these days. So, ladies, don't waste the time. Just take a screenshot or download the video and go to your hairdresser and hairstylist and get your hairstyle according to your personality and choice. And let me know also that what kind of haircut and hairstyle and which color you select for yourself from this video. It will be my pleasure when you appreciate me. If you do like my video, you can appreciate me through comment section, and you can also share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way, they will get updated with fashion and trend. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. Your support keep me energetic and boost me to make video for you guys. Take care and have a great hair day.